Discover how NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory uses sonification to translate astronomical data into sound, allowing us to hear the cosmos in a whole new way and experience the eerie and fascinating sounds of black holes and galaxy clusters. Sonification in space translates astronomical data into sound, allowing us to hear the cosmos in a new way. NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory uses sonification to turn X-ray data into audible sounds and music. Black holes and galaxy clusters produce unique sounds when their data is sonified, revealing eerie patterns. Sonification helps scientists analyze complex data, like black hole vibrations, in a more intuitive and immersive way. The sounds produced by sonification are not actual sounds from space, but rather a representation of the data collected. Didrikson Zaharias was a pioneering athlete who excelled in multiple sports, including basketball, track and field, and golf. Didrikson Zaharias was a trailblazing athlete who competed in 18 different sports throughout her career. In 1932, she won 2 gold medals and 1 silver medal in track and field at the Los Angeles Olympics. Didrikson was a 3-time All-American in basketball, leading her team to the national championship in 1931. She won 43 professional golf tournaments, including 10 majors, and was a founding member of the LPGA. Didrikson was named the Associated Press Female Athlete of the Year 6 times, a record that stood for over 60 years. She was inducted into the National Track and Field Hall of Fame, the LPGA Hall of Fame, and the Naismith Memorial Basketball. Learn about the record for the most own goals scored in a single season by a team in the English Premier League, held by Sunderland, with 10 own goals in the 2002-2003 season. The record for most own goals in a Premier League season is held by Sunderland. In the 2002-2003 season, Sunderland scored a shocking 10 own goals. This unfortunate record was achieved in just 38 matches that season. The team's struggles led to relegation that year, a harsh end to the season. Several Sunderland players contributed to this record, a painful memory for the club. This Premier League record still stands today, a dubious honor for Sunderland. Understand the importance of the Chemical Weapons Convention, CWC, which banned chemical warfare and established the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons, OPCW, to enforce the treaty. The Chemical Weapons Convention is an international treaty banning the production, stockpiling, and use of chemical weapons. The treaty was signed in 1993 and entered into force in 1997, with 193 countries currently adhering to it. The Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons, OPCW, was established to enforce the treaty and verify compliance. The OPCW has destroyed over 96% of the world's declared chemical weapons stockpiles, eliminating over 72,000 metric tons. The CWC has contributed to a significant decrease in chemical weapons attacks, with only a few reported incidents since. Learn how to fix a broken zipper with a simple paperclip hack, and discover more game-changing tips to keep your wardrobe in check. A broken zipper can be fixed with a simple paperclip hack in minutes. To fix a stuck zipper, try rubbing it with a graphite pencil or soap. Zipper teeth can be realigned using a pair of needle nose pliers carefully. A lubricant like lip balm or petroleum jelly can help unstuck zippers. Regularly cleaning zippers with a soft brush can prevent jams and damage. Using a zipper lubricant or wax can extend the life of your zippers. Discover how the psychology of waiting in line affects your brain, from the Zeigarnik effect to the role of distractions in reducing perceived wait time, and learn how stores like Apple use this to their advantage. The Zeigarnik effect states that unfinished tasks, like waiting in line, occupy our minds until completion. Our brains perceive wait time as 36% longer when we're bored and 28% shorter when we're distracted. Apple stores use interactive displays and minimalist decor to distract customers, reducing perceived wait time. The average person spends around 6 months of their lifetime waiting in line, equivalent to 3 days a year. Waiting in line triggers the brain's default mode network, causing feelings of frustration and anxiety. Examining the case of a woman known as CS, who is one of the most documented cases of prosopagnosia, and has been studied by researchers for over 20 years. CS, a woman with prosopagnosia, cannot recognize her own face in the mirror. Her condition is so severe that she mistakes her husband for a stranger daily. Researchers have studied CS for over 20 years, making her a unique case study. CS's brain shows no activity in the fusiform gyrus, the face recognition area. Despite her condition, CS has developed coping mechanisms to recognize people. CS's case has greatly contributed to the understanding of face blindness and its effects. From Mozart to Beethoven, many famous composers were math whizzes. Many famous composers, like Mozart and Beethoven, were skilled in math and music from a young age. The Fibonacci sequence appears in music compositions, creating pleasing and balanced patterns. Mathematical concepts like symmetry and geometry are used in musical compositions and instrument design. The harmonic series, a mathematical phenomenon, explains why certain sound frequencies sound pleasing together. Music notation is, in essence, a mathematical language, using symbols and patterns to convey sound. The connection between music and math enabled composers to innovate and create timeless masterpieces. Explore the shocking instances of teams deliberately playing without a goalkeeper, including Stoke City's infamous "park the bus" strategy in a 2009 Premier League match against Manchester United. In 1885, the first recorded instance of a team playing without a goalkeeper occurred in a friendly match. The keeperless tactic was popularized in the 1920 seconds by Austrian coach Hugo Meisel's Wonder Team. In 1990, Colombian team Atlético Nacional deliberately played without a goalkeeper in a Copa Libertadores match. Stoke City's "park the bus" strategy in 2009 against Manchester United sparked controversy and debate. This tactic allowed Stoke to hold Manchester United to a 0-0 draw, earning them a valuable point. Uncovering the story behind Glenn Miller's plane disappearance in 1944, with recent discoveries revealing the likely cause of the crash. Glenn Miller, a famous big band musician, disappeared on the 15th of December 1944 during World War II. He was on a small plane, a C-64 Norseman, flying over the English Channel to perform for troops. The plane was carrying Miller, pilot William F. Smith Jr., and navigator John A. Stennett to Paris. Recent research suggests Miller's plane likely crashed in the English Channel due to navigational errors. The wreckage was likely never found due to post-war construction and coastal erosion in the search area. In 2015, a new investigation concluded the probable cause: friendly fire or misidentification by British radar.